So here we are at the King's Lynn Custom House, possibly the most famous landmark there is in King's Lynn, and it's in this very historical area here. So I'll now go and give you a little walk around here. We're going to see what there is in King's Lynn, see if there's anything here available for Goths. I lived here for 2 years in the 80s, and you could certainly do Goth here then, but I'm not sure if you still can now. So we'll go and have a look, and I'll show you some of the interesting buildings while we're here as well. So here we are on the banks of the great river Ouse. That way goes all the way to the sea. There's a very nice restaurant here. If it was a nice sunny day, we could sit outside. So now I'm going to walk up here to the Saturday marketplace, where there is some more historical buildings for me to show you. Here's the King's Lynn Minster, which is in Saturday marketplace. It's so quiet in here. King's Lynn Town Hall. This is the King's Lynn Old Jail House. It was built in 1784, but it was only used as a prison until 1866. It's now the King's Lynn Museum. This pub's called the Wens, and it's opposite the Saturday marketplace and the Minster, which is there. In the 80s, this was a pub where all the Goths used to go, and doesn't seem to be any in there now, obviously. I've just spotted this old archway here, which I didn't know was here before now. Let's go and have a look in there. Leads you out into this really nice courtyard here, which was apparently built in the 1500s to 1511. Just spotted another archway which leads you out into this little courtyard. There's a very old looking building here. Can't really find any history of it on Google, so if you know anything about it, can you let me know in the comments, please? Here we are at Ferry Lane. I'm now going to take you on a bit of a walk down there so we can see the ferry. Well, as you can see, the ferry used to go from here to those steps over there. obviously not going anymore. This is St George's Guildhall. This is where I worked sometimes in the 80s as a makeup artist, in here. So this is the Tuesday marketplace, which is a bit strange as it's Tuesday and there's no market. This was the site of public executions, including the witch trials. This marketplace, if you can call it that, originated from Henry VIII's charter in 1529. King's Lynn High Street. This is Tower Street. Nice little independent shops down here I found. So this is the place I was recommended to come and see, which is in Tower Street. It's a bar stroke cafe called Liquor and Loaded. So this is the upstairs area, Liquor and Loaded. Is everything okay for you both? So here we are back at King's Lynn bus station, waiting to go back to lovely Lowestoft. It's having a bit of a do up at the moment. I hope you enjoyed it.